mixed with water.
That's an interesting concept, actually.
See? All these bubbles, why does it do that?
Well, it's due to the hydrophobic effect.
What's that hydrophobic effect?
Well, the hydrophobic effect is a result of the mixture of the combination of water and oil or a lipid, and it's due to the effects of the fact that due to the hydrostatic, they repel each other because of the charges, because they contain different charges between the two substances, and as a result, they will have a tendency to push each other away from each other and form these clumps and aggregates, such as when a water droplet on a leaf or
That's so technical, dude. Let me put it to you all in an easy way. There's two kinds of molecules, polar or non-polar. Polar like water, non-polar hate water. So let's just call the polar Crips and the non-polar Bloods. If you put them together in a room, they don't want to be by each other. It's that simple. So the easiest way to get away from each other is Bloods stay by the Bloods, Crips stay by the Crips. Now, if just a couple of Bloods were dumped into a bunch of Crips, the only way for the Bloods to stay together is to form a circle. That's why these bubbles happen. They're just circles of Bloods and Crips.
Wow, I didn't know so much to know about bubbles.
Well, they're not actually bubbles at all.
Then what are they?
They're Micelles.
Micelles? What's that?
A Micelle is a type of molecule that forms from having a polar molecule and a nonpolar molecule on the same structure. The nonpolar molecules want to stay away from water, while the polar ones want to be next to water. So the polar ones are going to stay at the outside of the circle and touch all the water, while the nonpolar ones are going to stay in the middle, staying away from water. They're actually really interesting. Many scientists believe that these miscibles are the first thing that resulted in life, because the only way life can occur is for a closed system to be away from its environment. Our cells are surrounded by these, not micelles, but bilayers made up of the same molecules, and so pretty much bubbles are life.
My bubbles.